Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all the Statue of Liberty. So I'm first going to start out by drawing her nose. The next thing I'm going to do is her lips. Now I'm going to draw her eyes. I'm going to draw a curved line to show her eyelid. Then I'm going to draw two curved lines, one on the top and one at the bottom, to just make it look like, since she's been there a while, she's got maybe a wrinkle or two. I'm going to do the same thing on this side and draw another eye. I'm going to draw a curved line to show another eyelid. And then two more curved lines to show the wrinkles. The next thing I'm going to do is the outline of her face. So I'm going to start from here and then just bring it down to here. Then I'm just going to repeat the same line, or the curved line, from this side to about here. Now I'm going to draw her neck. And then just delete these extra lines. The next thing I'm going to do is draw her clothes. So I'm going to start out with drawing this collar-shaped fabric around her neck. Then I'm going to erase these extra lines. I'm going to bring down this line over here and curve it around to show the depth in this collar. I'm going to do another collar, or another piece of fabric that comes down from here. And then I'm just going to finish this by finishing off the fabric at the bottom over here. I would have actually drawn the entire Statue of Liberty, but I was not really too sure as to how much or how long it would take. So that's why I figured I'd just draw the head for this one. Then I'll draw this last part to finish off the fabric. Now I'm going to draw these little strips of fabric that kind of come off from her crown from behind. And for all the new people that are drawing along with me, if I'm going too quickly or too soon or fast, just remember you can just pause the video, catch up, and then resume play again. So now I'm going to draw the other set of fabric from this side, which is the left side, which is going to be the repeat of what I did on the other side. And anybody that is drawing along, comment below if anybody has actually been to the actual Statue of Liberty and what it was like, just to keep this fun and know where the people are watching from and following along. Now I'm going to do her hair. I'm going to start off with this curvy line, or wavy line, I'm sorry. Then I'm going to do another line on this side. Now I'm going to do the top of her hair. And just bring it around over here. Now I'm going to do the other side. The next thing I'm going to do is the crown. So I'm going to start it off with the arc, or a semicircle that starts from this side and then comes up to here. Just remember, when you're drawing something like this, just got a whole lot of connecting points, feel free to turn the paper around, or in this case the digital canvas, so you don't sprain your wrist or hurt your wrist in trying to do something like this or a drawing like this. Next thing I'm going to do is these windows that are at the top of her crown. So I'm going to start with this one over here in the middle. Kind of like a, we call it curve shaped door, or a curved arc shaped door at the top, and that'll be one. And now I'm going to repeat the similar type ones on this side. Now I'm going to draw these little or these spike looking shark things that come out from her crown. So I'm going to start with this one over here on the top. Just going to start this line over here, curve it around, and bring it down over here. Turn that around, do another one. And bring it down over here. I'm going to do two more. Then bring it over here. The nice thing about doing this in Adobe Fresco and with these vector brushes is that you can go past the line and then just turn the vector trimming on, erase these lines, which is something you can't really do when you do traditional art. I mean, you really have to go close by. Now I'm going to do another 3 more on this side. Do this last one over here. So there we be, guys. That is our Statue of Liberty, or the statue of the head of Liberty. So now for the next part of this video, I'm just going to do a time lapse and color this in. Thanks for watching and following along, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.